going, guys. The essentials. The essentials is a great ESL activity for the students to think about things and explain themselves. You give them a situation or item and they have to think of 8 essential things needed. Some of the ideas could include a suitcase for a 3-day trip, a fridge, a picnic, a survival kit, going on a date, going to the beach, doing a presentation, what's in a school bag, going hiking, things for a baby. In your school bag, what do you have in your school bag? One thing. What do you have in your bag? Notebook. What do you have in your bag, in your school bag? What do you?
Pencil case.
Pencil case. Teacher. Chairs. Desks.
Blackboard.
A blackboard. Whoa, well done. For example, if the item is a handbag, what are 8 things a woman needs in her handbag? They could say her wallet or driver's license, lipstick, hand cream, candy, money, wet tissues. Or if it's a situation like going on a job interview, do research on the company, dress formally, take a resume, take a notepad, arrive early, be polite, answer questions confidently. With your partner, I want you to write down, so team, boys team, girls team. I want you to write down as many. I will give you 2 minutes. I want you to write down in your fridge. What is fridge? Fridge? What is fridge? 냉장고. In your fridge. What is in your fridge? Quickly write down.
냉장고.
What is in your fridge?
바나나. 제일 긴 거? 아니 작은 거도 돼. 야, 이 GG 있잖아. 이 GG.
What is a cow? What does a cow give you? Move. A mouse. What does a mouse eat? It's yellow. But what is that? What is that?
Burger.
What is in the burger? What is this?
Tomato.
Oh. What about this one? So we've got tomato, we've got lettuce. What is this? The yellow.
아니야.
T-O-M-A-T.
3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, let's see. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13?
13.
6? Wow, gentlemen, well done.